So the folks over at CAMBOFOTO was cool enough to send me their latest and greatest tripod. This is a 68-inch high, all aluminum, lightweight tripod. So we're going to get it open and let's see what she looks like. First, we can see pretty cool little carrying bag, adjustable strap. So when you first open up the box, you're going to get all of these separate parts and we got to put it together. All right, so we got all our parts here. We got the main body, which are the legs. Now I know they say this is lightweight, but it feels like it's very strong. They give us the 3 feet that are going to just simply go into the bottom of the legs. Now you can already see we're going to have a lot of extension room. Like I said, this is a 68-inch tall when fully extended. So this is our center rod for the tripod. Now you're going to see this hook on the back. You're going to unscrew this, slide this in, and then come under here and tighten that back up. And that's what's going to lock this in. And this will adjust your camera height for you. The ball head adapter, you can see, goes right here. This is just simply going to just screw on. And there you go. Now we're on. And overall, I would say this thing probably weighs about 6 pounds the way it is. So you see here, you're going to have level bubbles to help you level out not only the top of the locking plate for the ball head, but also the tripod itself. In order to take the lock plate off, just simply unscrew that. Plate comes right off. Thumb screw on the back, ready to go. Tighten that up, and that's locked in. If you want to rotate the ball head itself, just right there, and that'll tighten that up, and that'll lock you in place right there. If you need to change the angle of the ball head, whether you're doing vertical, horizontal, just loosen that, thumb screw up, and there you go. So if you want to put your camera, your DSLR on there, simply take the thumb screw that's supplied on the plate, tighten that up, then simply slide it onto the base, tighten up the thumb screw, and you'll lock your camera right in. So it also comes with a mobile phone, cell phone holder. So you simply just lock the plate in with the thumb screw again into the bottom of the base. Simply put that on the plate, lock the plate in. You can take and move the cell phone holder into an upright position, and has another 1/4-20 here if you need to add an accessory or a cold shoe mount for a light or something like that. So now you can just slide your mobile device right in there like that, and you've got a vertical shoot, or you got a horizontal shoot. And then finally, if you're into action cameras like I am, this is not supplied, but you'll take your 1/4-20 3-finger attachment, screw that onto the plate, lock that in place where you need it. Now you have a tripod for your action camera as well. So as you can see, I'm about 5'10". This is at 68 inches on the tripod. The other good thing about this is if I take the legs, I can open them up if I need a wider stance. Like so. So I can create a different angle that way. Just pull it right up, snaps right back in place. If I need to adjust the camera height, now we're all the way up here. Don't forget, you can also take this, reverse it upside down. It's so versatile. So say you want to get some low-level shots, you can use this tripod to catch you all the way down just like that. So whether you're shooting with a full-size camera, mid-size camera, action camera, or cell phone, I think this tripod is going to be really, really good. And it's built to last. I can tell it's not too heavy, it's not too light, and it's not made of plastic.